I'll give you one definite advice right off the get-go, because you're going to be tempted to do the
You don't have a watch. I don't know how they figure it out.
Across here, this is kind of an interesting area. I just call it Transition Chaparral.
Rose.
In the Rose family.
No kidding.
Yeah, I know.
And then take it. What happens is it'll zoom in on certain blue, and the background will be out of focus. Because it's moving, and truly those are the challenges of macro photography. Because we're looking at macro when we're doing that. That's macro.
Here's a really
I swear to God, it's amazing. And put it horizontal. It's better to do it vertical.
She's got that 100 miles. That's her stretch.
I was telling him how many of them.
Now this is a really cool. I love this. You go, Janie, over there. So, and that's, good job. Yeah, and this one, like right up close. That one processed will be awesome. Dynamite.
Yeah.
There's a really cute variegated one that looks like, what is it called?
Deer's ears.
No, that one down there.
That's the same one.
It's just a baby. Baby deer's ears.
Up in Northern California, wherever this occurs. That's the problem.
This is probably feldspar right here. The white stuff. In fact, it's and quartz.
Amazing, huh? There was lots a good one, but his pegmatite.
Down here, that's required.
That was kind of a similar idea.